Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today it's the candy washing machine, the dispenser drawer compartments and what goes in what compartment. I don't know about you, but I always forget what goes in what compartment. Right, let's get cracking. Of course, if you don't want to watch this video, you don't care about a dispenser drawer, you can use these pods which go straight into the washing machine and dissolve. But you might still want to use the fabric softener and the pre-washed compartments. Okay, let's go. This is the Candy Grand Vita washing machine here, which takes an 8 kilogram laundry load. And let's just pull out the dispenser detergent drawer here. And you can see by using these detergent drawers, they do get very, very dirty very quickly. And they do need cleaning every 3 to 6 months. Okay, this is compartment number 2. This is the main compartment. This is where you put any liquid detergent or powder for your main wash. Now, depending on how dirty your clothes are and how big the load is, depends how much liquid detergent you use. Generally, it's between 35 to 75 millilitres. Whilst I'm just measuring this out, there's a link above now about what to do if your washing machine is not draining water. This middle compartment is where you put any fabric softener. Don't ever go above the max mark, the maximum level indicated, otherwise that will mix in with the other compartments. You can also put in here any special additives, any starch or fragrances, things like that. And this final compartment, compartment number 1, is for your pre-wash. If you've got a pre-wash setting on the washing machine, this is where you can put any extra detergent and it does a pre-wash in case you've got clothes which are especially dirty. And I'll tell you what, after explaining all those detergent compartments, that's made me pretty thirsty. It's definitely time for a lovely cup of tea. And it's definitely worth every 6 months putting it on the hottest wash that it will go on with a tiny bit of detergent and no clothes in it, just to flush out the whole washing machine. Keep it nice and clean. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. And if you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. Thank you for visiting my channel everyone, I really appreciate it.